So I've already crocheted a few rows of half double slip stitch for you to take a look at, and you can see it creates this lovely texture. This row at the bottom is just foundation half double crochet. I am working in US, not UK terms. So in order to create your first half double slip stitch, all you're going to do, and this is nice and straightforward, is to start by pretending that you're going to create a half double crochet. So yarn over, stick your hook through the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now instead of yarning over again and pulling it through all 3 loops on the hook to create a half double crochet, you're going to take this first loop, the one closest to the end of your hook that you have just pulled up, and you're going to pull it through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Now I find one way to make this a little bit easier is to separate those first, second and third loops by pulling them apart here, sticking my thumb in between just to hold the loops apart, and then pulling it gently through those 2 loops. So I'm going to show you once more. So yarn over, pop your hook through the desired stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then pull that loop through the other 2 loops. Now, I love the texture that this stitch creates, so much so that it makes up the border of our Caitlin Zigzag Blanket. And there you have it, the half double slip stitch. I hope that you have found this helpful. Until next time, happy crocheting!